So let's open it. So this box is May box, and this is from Thailand. So it's same thing, same box. This is how it looked like inside, and it comes with flyers, food flyers. So let's start our taste test. So who's gonna go first? So Leon.
Okay. Lush Chocolates. It only takes one bite to flood your mouth with flavor. These luscious taffy-like candies are quite literally bursting with a chocolatey drizzle.
Okay, let's try it.
Manora pumpkin chips. These chips have a light and airy texture that will keep you munching and crunching on their pumpkiny goodness until the whole bag is gone.
Okay, let's try it.
Why does this taste like shrimp?
Looks good.
Alfie. Glico Alfie bars. This delectable chocolate bar was made to melt in your mouth. Enjoy either the strawberry milk in strawberry or cookies and cream variety.
Let's try it.
Good.
I love cream.
Okay. This one, it's Manora fried shrimp chips. Manora shrimp chips. These delicious fried chips are made with the highest quality of fresh shrimp, fried with a chili or tomato sauce for an extra burst of flavor. Try it.
No, totally the same thing.
That's good. Okay. Next.
Oh, this one tastes more like pepper.
What's it? Mentos. We have Mentos. Different flavor.
Mentos soda mix. The chewy, usually minty candies you love with a sweet and bubbly soda surprise. Pop the top on this treat, and we guarantee you won't stop.
Ment's so good.
Let's try it.
I'm doing it right now.
What's it?
Guava.
You know the creamsicles flavor?
Oh, melon. Melona.
I don't know what mine tastes like. Tastes like a mental. Whatever it is, it's good.
Next.
Who's better one?
Bang Bang White. Maybe this is Bang Bang White. Crispy wafer sandwich with a coconut cream and coated with rich white chocolate makes this snack a true chocolate treat. I love it.
Let's try it.
It's surprisingly good.
I love cookies. Toasted.
I can get through with it. Just like almond joy.
I like this.
Like that, I can get through with it. It's oh. What is this? Like Lay's? Does it say Lay's?
Just show it.
Is this? Yeah. It's. I was hoping for the glazed garlic scallop. Attention to all seafood lovers. These unique chips were baked with the garlic buttery goodness of freshly grilled scallops.
It's
Yes. That's why I'm not good.
Let's try it.
Oh, that tastes like stone.
Yeah.
That's good.
Hurry up, Chico.
Oh,
Fanta!
Show it to them.
This Fanta.
Pineapple.
It's called Fanta. Fanta tropical cream soda. This tropical green soda has a refreshing blend of bananas, pineapples, and oranges.
Let's try it.
Yummy.
Whoa.
Oh.
It's okay.
No. So
Yeah,
sad.
a little
It's medicine.
For once, you don't like it.
It's
For once, he doesn't like it.
medicine.
That took some experience.
It's gonna taste even weirder.
Honey.
It's gonna taste Go away, go away, go away, go away.
It's jelly yo-yo.
Jelly. No. It's chocolate.
Yo-yo cola jelly. A refreshingly cool, crisp bottle of cola in chewy gummy form. Great paired with a movie. This tasty treat surely won't last long.
Try it.
Cola.
Good.
Tastes like Coke.
Ako na, di ba?
Yeah.
So good. Yummy.
Another Jack.
This is my favorite.
Jack and Jill cookie. Pan-O vanilla cookies. These chocolate sandwich cookies are complemented with sweet vanilla food, making them a perfect milk Dunkin' candy. Let's try it.
It tastes like a cream.
I don't like the cream.
Okay. Why does it taste like Canada Dry?
Why is it so full?
Yogurt. We don't always eat tree candy for breakfast, but when we do, you can bet it's bursting with creamy yogurty goodness. There you go.
Sweet. Let's try it.
Why does it taste like orange?
Just like popcorn.
Like,
Whoa.
okay.
Yes, well.
Pret.
I think there's two.
There's two flavors. Oh, okay. Pretz. Oh. No, it just says Pretz. Glico Pretz sticks. Yummy pretzel sticks that pack an ultra satisfying crunch. Try either the lard, tom yum, or buttered corn flavors. So we got the tom yum and lard. What's a lard?
A lobster?
Looks like Sinigang, this one. This one is like, it looks like seafood. Yeah, that's Sinigang.
Yeah.
Sisig and Sinigang. Okay, we got that. Good.
Let's try it.
Wait, why'd you get such a small one?
Yeah, it's good. It tastes like pizza.
Yep.
Good.
Yeah, it tastes like the Why is it kind of...
Well, I don't enjoy those in my belly. Wait. Oh yeah.
I love it.
Wait, what is it? Alright, Dynamite. Dynamite Candy, a tasty surprise prepared to blow you away. This nut-flavored hard candy is exploding with creamy and chocolatey
Hard candy. It's so minty. It tastes like the Olive Garden candy. I just chewed it. Oh yeah, it's easy to eat. It's fucking nice. After the chocolate. It's inside. I am inside.
I think we call it good dynamite.
It tastes like a mint. A peppermint. It's like thick.
This is gonna take me a while.
What?
Bite
I
it
don't
now.
It smells like thick.
It's easy to bite. You could eat chocolate on the meat. Salty.
Chip.
Yeah, that one. That one is easy.
I'll just chew.
It's together.
Yeah, I saw it. It's like a seaweed stick.
Okay.
Wait, it's
together. TK Noi Big Roll. You don't have to be a green sea turtle to enjoy this nutritious snack. We've included either the spicy or grilled seaweed flavor variety.
spicy.
Let's try it. Oh my god.
I thought I ever know.
Hot. It's hot.
Really?
Don't have any more water. Spicy.
Oh, it's good though. It's spicy.
It's yummy.
Okay. What's next?
Go.
Kopika coffee candy. These coffee-flavored hard candies are made with real coffee beans and contain enough caffeine to give you the extra kick you need to get through the day.
Let's try it.
The coffee. Even though I never liked the smell of coffee, but it's good.
Oh, it just tastes familiar. Now I don't know which one.
Another coconut.
Yours is the one with
BC coconut wafer. A crispy, flaky, and buttery wafer filled with a rich coconut flavored cream. This snack will put you on island time every time. Let's try it.
Yummy. Delicious. That's coconut.
Wait, is that all of it?
That is deliciousness. Those are fire. What is that? Hedgehog. Hedgehog Choco Sticks. A Thai spin on Japanese pocky, this delightful classic cookie stick is filled with sweet and decadent chocolate
Pocky.
Let's try it.
Get off the room.
Good. Hi, bird.
Why does it taste like? It's a bug.
Like
I'm gonna try. Well, it's like just
Sun Snack Dump. Savory roasted sunflower seeds coated in a rich, delicious, and yet unusual combination of sweet corn and cheese flavoring.
Let's try it.
Wait, that's actually good though. It's not bad. It's just like sweet corn. Yeah, because it said it had corn and it's sunflower seeds. But they're good. You need soil and water.
this. Whatever it is.
Can I have water, please? What size? Please, the one
It's a Rolly Twin Milk Wafer. Everyone loves loves twins, especially when there are two vanilla wafers coated in a dense layer of milk-flavored cream.
Who's the actor?
And I can't.
Thanks for watching this.
Yeah, no.
Or Lay's?
Okay, show it.
Lay's.
Wait.
No, we have to
Scissors.
Let's try it.
This one's spicy.
Mine is a shrimp. And it's delicious.
It's like recut.
This one has
Oh, no, it doesn't.
blank. Blank red
Wait,
one.
did you have the yellow one? They have the orange.
It's not
Why
bad.
it's spicy though?
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
Say anything.
Kokai peanuts, a perfect combination of salty and sweet. These roasted peanuts have been coated in a generous amount of sweet coconut cream. Coconuts.
I don't.
Let's try it.
Whoa, there's zing.
And it tastes nothing.
You have like this one.
Wait.
Like in a small cup.
Yeah.
Call it extra.
See? It's zing.
Okay.
Okay.
Punch, 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 punch.
Just show it. To Golden Bean Combo Wafer. These crispy wafers are sandwiched with the ultimate combination of chocolate cream, caramel, and crispy rice, all wrapped in a thin layer of chocolate.
Let's try it.
I also want this. I'm trying to remember why.
It's yummy.
Why did you say
Hot.
something on my head?
Okay. Delphi Top Chocolate. Snack critic favorite, this wafer bar is wrapped in caramel, topped with crispy rice, and coated in a rich layer of milk chocolate.
Why is it?
Let's try it.
Now this is like those things you're talking about.
Yep. Here's like a big one.
Amira Tamarind Candy. These unique candies get their sweet, tangy flavoring by lumpy texture from the pod-like fruits found on the tamarind tree.
I love
Show it to them.
What is tamarind?
I have no idea.
Tamarind is the one sinigang.
That's what makes it sour.
Sinigang. It's gonna be sinigang flavor.
Yes! Yes.
Oh, I thought it was a bug. It was a rat or something.
Let's try it.
Yup. Tastes like tamarind.
Tastes like Coke.
That's good.
Oh no, it doesn't. Tastes like
Oh,
orange.
get the candy. This is the last one. All the candy. Show it to them.
I think it's the same thing.
No, it's different.
This thing. This one too. It's 5, I think. Show it to them.
Yeah.
Show it to them.
Okay, let's go show it. Here.
Shanghai Plum Candy. This appetizing plum flavored hard candy mixes the common Thai flavors of sweet and sour to give you the perfect anytime treat.
Try it.
Wait, this one. I can't taste it.
It tastes like root beer, which is
It
good.
tastes like a day.
Oh, that one.
Wait a minute.
Maybe I tried this before.
Bro, what?
I like that one better.
The tamarind. So we're done, guys. We finished it. So now we're gonna show you our favorites. So mine is the big roll seaweed roll, spicy flavor.
Mine is the Lush Chocolate Candy. Mine is the Sun Snack Dunk Sunflower Seeds.
Mine is the Mentos soda mix.
And mine is jelly yum.
And mine was the Lay's Shrimp and Seafood Chips.
Okay, so This box, me box from Thailand, we're gonna rate it
6, 9.
No, sis.
Why?
No, most of it is bad.
For you.
I'm gonna rate it like 9. You gonna, because it's only one miss. This Fanta flavor is a thumbs down. It's not good. It's like too chemically flavor. So it's 9. But most of, all of the food and snack and chocolate is good. Even the hard candies. And most of it is actually like we have back home in the Philippines. So some of it is we already know how it tastes. So yun guys. So hopefully nagustuhan niyo yung another snack treat video. So we will see you on our next video. Thank you for watching.
Langkong.
Yeah.